Today I'm going to talk about the predictive modeling. Predictive modeling is get understand about why it is important in data science and design thinking. Have you ever wondered how online shopping websites recommend products or how banks identify fraudulent transactions before they happen? The answer is predictive modeling. Predictive modeling is a technique that uses historical and current data to estimate what is likely to happen in the future. Instead of making random guesses, it studies the patterns in existing data and use those patterns to make predictions. So to do this, predictive modeling uses statistical methods, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. In product development and design thinking, predictive modeling helps us to check whether an idea is likely to succeed before investing time and money in developing it. Okay, so some major benefits. Let's take the historical future. Okay, because when the machine when the machine can learn from the past data, it can predict the future very easily. Understood? And from the future prediction, they are finding the hidden patterns and trends in the data for a better business communication, for a better business decision. So, in simple words, predictive modeling helps organizations make smarter decisions based on the data rather than the assumptions. Okay, the solution next is a solution viability. The solution viability for the modeling, which is nothing but the before launching a new product or services, companies need to answer an important question. Will this solution actually work? Exactly. So this is known as a solution viability. So a solution is considered viable when it successfully solves the user problem, meet with the business goals, is technically possible to develop or satisfy customer expectations. That is called the solution viability. That means we are successfully done the customer or consumer question and their answer. That is why we are providing a solution viability. Understood? So predictive modeling helps answer these questions by analyzing the customer behavior, market trend, and the previous performance. For example, before launching a new food delivery app, a company can analyze existing customer preference and predict the whether people will actually use the services because the it helps the business reduce development and cost even failure, improve the product planning, and make better business decisions. Before implementation, that is solution viability is very important because predictive modeling increases confidence that the solution is likely to succeed. And the process of predictive modeling is nothing but the first step is collecting historical data for the relevant to performance. Collect the historical data for the relevant to performance. Next, the data is cleaned by removing the errors, duplicates, and missing values to improve its quality. Understood? After that, an appropriate machine learning or statistical algorithm is selected based on the problem. The selected model is then trained using the historical data, so it can recognize the important patterns. Once training is complete, Once training is complete, the model is tested and validated to measure its accuracy. Finally, the prediction generated by the model and are used to support business decisions and for the future planning. So this is a step-by-step approach we are using for the prediction and reliable for the useful organization. Okay. The most application is nothing but first is the predictive modeling is essential to many industries. First is in healthcare, it helps the doctor to predict disease and recommend treatment. In banking and finance, it detects the fraudulent transaction and ethics. So finally, this is a financial based on a financial risk. In marketing, it predicts the customer behavior and helps business create personalized advertising. Okay. In manufacturing, it predict the modeling, improve the production efficiency, and reduce equipment failure. Okay, so what are the challenges we are facing? The first is quality of the prediction. depend on the completely quality of the data. If the data is not pure, then we cannot refine the prediction, good prediction, like our astrologer. If our सारे गलती से अच्छे नहीं रहते, then we are not predict the good things. Okay. Another challenge is overfitting, where a model performs very well on training data, but fails when applied to a new data. So, as we complete my session, by using the accurate data reliable model, business can reduce the risk and it develop a solution that both are practical and sustainable. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you found a better